guys, welcome to Leaf Geeks. This is Sushma. We all have this problem with WhatsApp sometimes recording our audios and videos without our permissions. And we all do know how to set permission for WhatsApp to download images over Wi-Fi or mobile data using our permission and all. But most of us don't know how to set permission for WhatsApp using the camera or the audio recording or your contacts, etc. etc. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to set permission for this WhatsApp settings. Open your device settings and scroll down to installed apps. Select downloaded apps and scroll till you find WhatsApp. Now look for the permissions and tap on it. Here you'll find a list of permissions. The question mark means you need to set permissions for WhatsApp to use that feature. The red icon means WhatsApp should not use this feature, and the green icon means WhatsApp can use the particular feature without asking your permission to do so. Which means once you set it, the feature doesn't give you a notification before using it. To deny WhatsApp using sound recording automatically, tap on Record Audio and select Deny. To deny WhatsApp from using camera, click on Access Camera and select Deny. In this way, your phone takes your permissions before recording audios and videos. You can also set the same for modifying your contacts, etc. That's it guys, hope the video was helpful, and if you know something else about WhatsApp settings etc, do let me know in the comment section below and hit this video a thumbs up. I'll be back to you all with another tech issue pretty soon. Till then, take care, bye.